1876. The sun blazes down on the open prairie. 100 cowboys, 10,000 cattle, and 1,000 miles of dust and danger. From Texas to Kansas, these men faced it all. Stampedes, outlaws, and the unforgiving land itself. Sunburned and saddle sore, they rode from dawn till dusk. No law but grit, no promise but the trail ahead. Storms rolled in, turning the plains to mud. A bad step and a steer could be lost forever. At night, coyotes howled. And worse, rustlers lurked in the shadows, ready to steal a fortune in beef. But these cowboys, they weren't about to let that happen. After months on the trail, the job was done. The cattle sold, the cowboys paid, and the legend of the Great Cattle Drive of '76 was born.